Sa isang banda, honestly, hindi ako nalakihan masyado sa mga rallies, pro Duterte rallies. Okay, hindi siya all over the country.
Tanga talaga.
Even the one in Davao, it looks like, what, 60, 100,000?
Kilala kong kaliskis mo, oy.
To be honest, I've seen much bigger. Yung pink rallies dito, way bigger.
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
Even the ones in Europe and all, I mean, we have how many? 500,000, 1 million FWs? 2,000 is what? It's not even 0.001%. So, at the same time, tama ka. Ang question kasi dito, relative eh. Kahit anong sabihin mo na maliit yung mga rallies pro Duterte relatively, diba? Eh kung majority silent lang, or hindi nagsasalita, tapos medyo hapyaw yung positioning ng government, diba? And then itong third, I wanna ask this, bro. Kasi feeling ko, kung titignan mo, parang lumalakas yung, at least online, yung BBM supporters.
Matay mingaw man o sa basog.
Will parang vote for Bam, Kiko, and Heidi. Di ba?
Ang galing mo sumagot. Ang lakas makasa.
Parang nagiging ganun eh. Parang solid north for team. Yung mga ganun. So, nagiging open na yung mga pro-Marcos people to say, let's form at least a temporary coalition now. At least for...
Ang inang lamok galit, nainit ng ulo.